today? We're good. That's good. So my name is Janine and I will be your in-charge flight attendant for today. So have you introduced yourself to each other? Yes. Okay, that's good. So I will be assigning Patricia on R1, Elise on L2, and Queenie on R2, and I'll be on L1. So we are flying on the Airbus A320 today. Our flight number is AS245 and PIN number is aircraft 203. We are flying from Toronto to Cancun. Our captain is Philip Arnold and first officer is Sonia Diaz. We are aware that passenger load is 115. Good. And also we have two special attention passengers. We have a wheelchair passenger who is Karen Jenkins and she is seated in 12 Alpha. And Jane Philip and she is seated in 15 Charlie. They both use the wheelchair to get into the aircraft and they will be assisted with the wheelchair upon in the aircraft. So are we all good? Good. So our flight number is 3 hours and 5 minutes in the air. So 3 hours and 35 minutes gate to gate. Our cruising altitude is 33,000 feet and the weather is expected to be smooth flight to Cancun today. And when we get to Montreal, expect a sunny and warm with a light breeze. So just to let you know that this aircraft first flight of the day is very important to be ready to your pre-flight check when we get on board, okay? Okay, that's good. So note that we have a cabin depict which is in the in-flight entertainment 14 Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. So be aware that neither the captain nor the first officer speak French. So Patricia, I know that you speak French, so I will be assigning you to translate the announcement. Is that okay? Yes. So are we all with that? So before we start, you have all your PAM updated? Yes. Okay. And do you have all your break ID? Good. And passport? So before I start assigning everyone, I will ask everyone to create an action plan for the day. Communicate information between crew members and check that we are all on the same page. Okay? Okay, great. So Patricia, you are R1. You are responsible for disarming the door on door R1. And for safety demonstration, you will be standing in row 1. And Elise, you are responsible for disarming the door in L2. For safety demonstration, you will be standing in row 13. Okay? And also Queenie, you are responsible for disarming the door on R2. For safety demonstration, you will be standing row 24 and between row 24 and row 25. Okay? Good. As L2 Elise, would you mind briefing the passengers at the overwing exit as soon as they arrive? Okay. And confirm it to me when it's done, okay? Sure. Thank you. Any questions? Okay. So on today's flight, we have to cover selected communication, emergency, safety, and security procedures. So Queenie, I'm gonna ask you a question. So when are the galley curtains must be in the open position and why it must be open during this?
It must be open during boarding, taxi, takeout, and landing, fueling. So in case of emergency, the exits are not visually blocked.
So Patricia, during the pre-flight check on board, what will you consider to be important to check?
I will make sure to check the smoke detector is working, the DNT and emergency equipment are in good position, and then also they are still in the right place.
During evacuation, a slide fails to inflate. What do you do?
I will have to redirect the passengers to the nearest exit, and in case of the last case scenario, I will have to ADP to shut down the flight and redirect the passengers to sit and fly.
Okay, perfect. Patricia, if you hear a triple high-low chime, what do you do?
What do I do? The triple high-low chime indicates that there's if it is from the flight deck, and after that I'm gonna inform the in-charge flight attendant, the person emergency number.
Okay, good. So Queenie, what do you do upon delivering food in the flight deck?
As cabin crew, no one entering the galley, close the forward galley curtain, ensure that there is no passenger in the vicinity of the flight deck door, and make sure the door to close the door right away upon exiting, and the door upon exiting and entering the flight deck.
Okay, good. So I see that everyone is ready for the flight, and thank you for